What's up, YouTube fam? It's your girl Linda, aka Mid-Size Morena. Yes. And I'm here with you today with my very first ever YouTube video. Very first. And as you can tell by the title, it's going to be an unboxing video. What I will be unboxing are count them, two budget-friendly wigs that I purchased from Amazon. And I know what you're thinking. Amazon? Yes. Amazon. Amazon. Okay? This is also Amazon. And the purpose of today's video, I just want to show you what's out there. You know, I know with COVID, you're probably looking like, ooh, I don't want to go get my hair done. I don't want to go get my nails done. Well, I can help you with the hair, okay? Because $20 or less, both of these wigs. Without further ado, let's look at wig number one. Okay, the first wig is a burgundy color, and I'm going to unbox it for you so you can see the quality. I'm not sure which is which because, like I said, I have two for you, and this one is number one. So let's open it up and see what we have. So both of these wigs are going to be from the same company. I will put the description, I'll put the link to both of them in the description box below. So if you like either one of them, go ahead and click on the link. Right now they're $16.99, I believe, $16.99 each. And when I bought these, they had a 10% off coupon because budget friendly, and it's Friday, so budget friendly Friday. Okay, so I'm opening up the first one. Whoop. Just a regular old plastic bag. The wig comes with a weaving cap. I don't know that I would use this underneath a wig, but I do live in the desert and it tends to get hot out here, so it says cool mesh on the bag, so I'll let you know in the summertime if I'm going to be using these or traditional wig cap. But either way, gotta have your wig cap. So nice gift. Again, $16.99. Wasn't expecting a whole lot. So let's see what this fat girl is looking like. So it comes wrapped. It's got some paper in there to help it keep its shape. It came with some fishnets around it to help it stay in place. And now that I got those both off, you can see what I'm looking at now. Now I believe this one is the bob. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, I believe this one is the bob. I chose burgundy because, you know, this is one of my work wigs, and I have a lot of natural color wigs, and so I was looking for something that I could wear like on the weekends, or like going out with my friends, or going out of town, even running to the grocery store. Like, I want to be incognito. Let's get a burgundy wig. Okay, so this wig is a full cap, as you can see, full cap, and it has two clips in the front, and it's got adjustable straps. So this is definitely going to be a big head, small head friendly wig. It doesn't have the typical, you know, little flaps that are aerodynamic, but it does have some mesh. So let's see how it looks. I believe this mesh is supposed to help it keep cool. So without further ado, let's try this on, and let's take this one off. Let's see here. See, trusty wig cap. So one thing I'm noticing real quick is the part. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a white color. And it's a little bit on the thin side, but that's easily fixed. That's easily fixed. Just get some tweezers, pluck it out, and then get you some foundation and just put a little bit in the middle and just brush it out. So let's get this one on. I am not going to worry about fitting it to my head. I'm just wanting to show you what the wig looks like. So first impression, this one is shiny. It's very shiny. I think some brunette dry shampoo, maybe some baby powder. It's shedding a little bit. It's shedding a little bit. It's also, but it's synthetic. You know, you don't expect it to not shed. I believe human hair wigs don't shed. So if shedding bothers you, this is not for you. So, anywho, the wig's on my head, and the feel, it doesn't feel like human hair. But it doesn't feel synthetic either. So I'm not really sure how to describe the texture. Maybe it's kind of like between human, between synthetic, maybe kind of like a blend. This wig is heat resistant. I believe it's heat resistant. So maybe this is a synthetic blend. I'm not really too sure. But this is definitely much larger than my head. So if you have a really big head, you can get this one. And they have other colors. I'm noticing that the bangs are really kind of long. I might cut it. I might cut it. Or just do this little swoop to the side and call it a day. So this is wig number 1. I don't really know how to feel. I mean, it's different. It's definitely dark enough. I was really worried because I saw on the pictures that it looked kind of like a magenta, and I was like, ugh, magenta. I mean, I want to go incognito. I don't want to be like seen all the way with a magenta wig on. Okay, like let's be honest. But yeah, I think it's got some shine to it. The feel it's light. It's got some movement, a little bounce to the ounce. Let me know what you think though. I'll have to work with this one. Like I said, definitely work on that part. You know, maybe if I get it, you know, adjusted and fitted to my head, I might like it better. But I definitely do like the color. I definitely do like the color. So let me know what you think. Yay or nay? Is this me? Is it not me? Is it you? Because if it's you, you should probably get it. Because like I said, $16.99 with 10% off. Girl, you have Amazon Prime? Guess what? It ships for free. Don't have Amazon Prime? Buy something else, $25, free shipping. Okay? And so, anywho, we are on to wig number 2 in my budget-friendly Friday haul. I wouldn't really call it a haul. I only got 2 wigs, so let's stick with budget-friendly Friday. So this is the second wig, also in Burgundy. This is the same company. I believe their name is Gowit or something like that. This one's also $16.99 at the time of this filming. And it also had a 10% off coupon. So $16.99 minus $1.70. So what's that? A little bit over $15. It's affordable. So let's see what this synthetic wig looks like. I believe this one is the one I was looking the most forward to because it looks similar to another work wig I have, just in burgundy. So like the first wig, this one also comes with a weaving cap and to be used as a wig cap, but we're not going to talk about that again because we just talked about it on the first wig. So like the first wig, it has a little paper packaging in there. We're going to toss that to the side. Don't need it, but save it. You don't need it, but save it. If you're not going to wear your wigs immediately, or if you're going to store them, uh, keep this and keep the little fishnet that it comes with, because and then keep the baggie, and then that way you have a perfect storage for it. You don't have to worry about going and buying those like satin weave bags or wig bags or anything like that, because I mean, it was good enough for the manufacturer, right? Okay, so off my soapbox. So I'm taking off the fishnet of the first one and putting that, it's got stuck on the hook, putting that to the side. And as you can see, this one also is shiny. And it also could be the light I'm using too. It's a little bit shiny. This one's long. About 14 inches. This one definitely is 14 inches. This looks a little bit longer than 14 inches. So just for, you know, if you're conscious about the size, the length of wig that you like, this one looks definitely longer than 14 inches. I would even say 16, but I don't know, I'm not a scientist. So let's take this bad boy off and put this one on. But first, just to show you the inside, like the first one, it's made the same way. Again, this is the same manufacturer or the same company, so I'm gonna say they made this wig the exact same, with the two clips in the front, no clips at the bottom, but you also have the adjustable strap. Let's get this one off and get the next one on. So bye bye, Bob. So this one also has like a really different kind of part. I don't know how to explain that little circle. But we'll see. Let's see what it looks like. So this one, I actually really like this one. Oh, really? Oh, wait a minute. Let's get these bangs. Let's get these bangs. You know what? I like this. I really like this one. You know, put a little headband right here to cover up whatever that little circle thing is. I don't know what that is. Put a little headband there, cover that up, make it look a little bit more realistic. Obviously, like the first one I said, put some brunette shampoo, any kind of dry shampoo, I should say, dry shampoo or baby powder, but not too much baby powder, because then it'll take away the shine and then it'll look kind of dull. And human hair has a little bit of healthy human hair has a little bit of shine to it, so we're just wanting to tone down some of the shine. But out the box, yes. I love this one. I am excited. Kind of feel like Ariel, but like more goth, because it's not bright red, it's burgundy, you know? So this one feels, again, the same as the first wig. And it kind of, you stand up, you can see the length of this one. It's a little bit longer than the first one, and the first one is 14 inches. So maybe this one's 15 or 16, and if you straighten it, it'll be longer. But definitely, I'm really am feeling this one. This one's a winner. And I actually had the black one of this one in my wish list on Amazon. And when they put the coupon out, I was like, oh, let's get it, but let's get it in burgundy. So let me know what you think about this one. Like I said, it feels pretty good. It's also shedding. You can see that. That's just running my fingers through, but you know, a good synthetic detangler. They always use synthetic friendly products on these kind of wigs. Don't use your human hair products. But a good synthetic detangler, I'll spray it through, run my fingers through, get out all the shedding, hit it with the dry shampoo, do the same thing. Like I said, definitely, obviously fit it to my head and then put a headband in. I think this one would be good. I really like this one. I like it a lot. I'll show you the back. Or that's the side. So, anywho, let me know what you think. If you like this video, definitely thumbs up. If you don't like this video, let me know why in the comments. Tell me what you want to see. Have you ordered wigs from Amazon before? Did you even know that you could buy wigs from Amazon? And did you know that this thing was only not even $20? Okay. So if you're like me, COVID's got the best of you. You're not trying to go to any salon, but you want to look nice, on a budget, then definitely go to Amazon, find you a wig. Both of these had 4 stars and higher, and both of them were under $20. Again, I'll put them in the description box below. But anywho, I'm looking forward to my next video. I have another wig or two that I would like to unbox for you. One's burgundy, and I think the other one is like some bangs, because I have another wig that doesn't have bangs. But it's lace. And real quick, I'm not a lace pro, so I bought some bangs, and I'll try it. Let me know if you want to see what it looks like. Let me know, and I'll do it for you. Anyway, y'all be blessed. Thank you for watching my video. Again, like it, thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to see from me in the future. Y'all have a good one.